So the principal gets up, says, what's the matter? Jinn, 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 Jinn. And the principal comes in and there's only one kid sleeping. It's that one kid. The one that shaved his head. Right? The one that knows Arabic all of a sudden now. Yeah? He said, what's wrong? He said, nothing. So they go back. He said, go back, go back. Puts the ball in bed, comes back. And he says, what's, yeah. After a little while, these kids are screaming back again. Down the corridor, knocking on his door, Jinn, Jinn, Jinn. So he said, what is it that was happening? They go, when we go into our bed places, yep. Imagine this guy's name is Imran. I'm just making it up. I'm not saying his real name, yeah? Imagine his name is Imran or something. They said that we hear all across the wall something dragging its nails or whatever it is and saying, so basically they just obviously leapt out of their beds, yeah, came straight to the principal. Now this went on all night, yeah, him taking them to their beds.